Ciao a tutti! Benvenuti if you're new to the channel, or bentornati if you've already been here supporting me. Today we're diving into one of Italians' favorite topics, food and drinks, the heart of Italian culture. So grab your appetite for learning, pun intended, and let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss any delicious Italian lessons. Do you fancy a luxurious colazione a Firenze? Or maybe a pranzo a Roma, the eternal city? And what do you think about an aperitivo a Venezia? Not bad, right? Well, if you've already been to Italy, probably you've already found yourself in front of such menus. Maybe had struggles understanding the differences between the dishes, or maybe even struggled to order and understand the waiter. But worry no more, because today you'll learn how to order breakfast, lunch and aperitivo like a pro. Let's have a look at how Italians eat and drink for breakfast. La colazione, breakfast, in Italy, it's light, simple and often sweet. Italians like to have their breakfast at home, fare colazione a casa, or at the bar, fare colazione al bar. Yes, I said bar, because in Italy, bars are places where you can have breakfast, a quick coffee or a snack throughout the day, but also have aperitivo before dinner, and after dinner enjoy an amaro, which you would translate with spirit or a bitter. For colazione, you can choose from a variety of drinks, as for example cappuccino. And remember, very important, Italians don't drink cappuccino after 11 o'clock. Then we have espresso, which usually we call caffè. We say, posso avere un caffè? For example, can I have a coffee? Then we have il caffè macchiato, an espresso stained with a little bit of milk, which is perfect if you want something between cappuccino and a straight espresso. Then we have la spremuta, usually di arance, which is freshly squeezed orange juice. Then we have il succo alla pera, pear juice, but it can also be other types of fruits, as for example mirtilli, blueberry, mela verde, green apple, or this is very specific to Italy, ace, which is a mix of orange, carrot and lemon. You have to try this. Then when it comes to food, we have our famous cornetto, il cornetto, a soft buttery croissant, and you can choose to have it vuoto, plain, or filled with crema, custard, Nutella, chocolate, or Nutella, or marmellata, which is usually jam. Then if you like something more savory, you can also have a toast, il toast, which is a simple toasted sandwich. Usually you would have formaggio, cheese, or prosciutto, or both together. Now tell me, which one of these is your favorite for colazione? Do you prefer a sweet cornetto or a savory toast? Please comment below. Now you learn what to order, but it's also very important to learn how to order. So I have here a dialogue between Marzia and Luca, so let's have a look. Buongiorno. Buongiorno, cosa vi posso offrire? Allora, per me una spremuta, per favore. E tu, Marzia? Prendo un cappuccino e da mangiare vorrei un cornetto. Avete i cornetti alla marmellata? Sì, certo, abbiamo la marmellata di albicocche e quella di arance. Quale preferisce? Oh, mi piacciono tutte e due, ma vorrei provare quella alle arance. Allora, per me un cornetto alla marmellata di arance e un cappuccino. Perfetto, e lei? Vuole anche lei qualcosa da mangiare? In effetti ci ho ripensato, prendo anch'io qualcosa. Mi dia un toast al formaggio, per favore. Oggi mi va qualcosa di salato a colazione. Ah, prendo anche un caffè, grazie. Benissimo, quindi un cappuccino e un cornetto per la signora e un toast al formaggio, una spremuta e un caffè per il signore. Sono 9,80 € in totale. Perfetto, ecco qua, e grazie mille. Now, that's a lot of new stuff that you have to take in. So please pause the video, take a moment to go through the dialogue at your own pace, and write down the sentences that you would like to use in the future. Wow, we've covered so much today. I hope you enjoyed learning about what Italians eat and drink for breakfast and how they order la colazione. To make it easier for you, I've decided to split this lesson into 2 parts. In the next video, we'll discover what Italians eat for lunch and then for aperitivo. Plus, I'll teach you another useful dialogue on how to order food at the restaurant. Grazie mille for watching, stay tuned, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao e alla prossima!